Broadleaf Commerce is an enterprise open source e-commerce framework. It's a framework that's used by companies to solve their most complex e-commerce problems. And we're also a team of highly skilled engineers and architects with experience in e-commerce solutions. We're a young company doing open source, but we have really great clients. We have Pep Boys, we have Container Store, and all of these companies are using enterprise solutions. And if they weren't using Broadleaf, they would be paying a lot of money for licenses. A company like Container Store that was paying a lot of license fees. They definitely have some things that they want to do uniquely for their brand. Using open source software, they're able to just build the features they want.
Broadleaf costs less in terms of total cost of ownership, which again allows us to fund more of our development resources and direct those on those opportunities that are most important to us.
That's really where Broadleaf stands out, as enterprise customers that have complex needs, and instead of them spending their money on commercial licenses, they can invest the money in the customizations that they need. Our marketing team is going to love Broadleaf Commerce because our promotion engine and our content targeting allow them to really communicate with their customer and do the promotions that they want to do.
We really have the flexibility to do anything we want. It's limitless now. There's no parameters here. What do you want to do? How could we do something that would really set us apart?
Some of the other added advantages of using Broadleaf Commerce is the capability of being able to tie to internal systems, set up promotions, be able to execute and implement in a short time frame, but also being able to read that result on the back end.
Developers love us because of the stack we use. We're built on the best of breed open source technologies.
Spring, Hibernate, JPA, these are things that Java developers across the globe are using, embracing, and have been for years. Developers have said, we've been looking for this platform based on these technologies. The extension points are clear, they're well defined, and the framework itself is a collection of loosely coupled services so that if I override this one piece over here, it's not like I'm breaking all these other dependencies.
Because of the framework itself, we're extremely efficient at delivering new capabilities with low risk and, again, low cost.
So whether you're on the marketing team or the development team, I feel like Broadleaf Commerce provides you with a framework that gives you no limits. Enterprise customers want scalability. They need to know that if we have a successful ad campaign, we don't worry about our site going down on Black Friday. Broadleaf supports that. If I need to scale my servers, we run on commodity hardware. Just put another server up, put another version of Broadleaf on it. You're not paying an additional license. You don't have to buy the high-end, most complex hardware. It'll run on just about anything.
We were fortunate enough to be featured on Oprah on several occasions, and every single one of them, she brought us to our knees. 2 weeks after we went live with Broadleaf, we got the good news that we're going to be on Oprah again. Everybody's nervous, it's a new platform, and I looked at my watch and it was past time. There was not a blip at all.
When I think about our Broadleaf Commerce team, there's two things that come to mind. One is our deep experience in building high-volume enterprise transaction applications. Most of our team come from industries like the airline industry, financial industry, retail industry, where they had to deal with numerous transactions, high-volume, mission-critical sites, and so that goes into the thinking of how we've built Broadleaf Commerce. I also think about the passion that they bring. Our guys are really excited about open source. They love working on this product. Customers like it from a no-limit standpoint. I can get the features I want. I don't have to worry about scalability. Developers like it because they can do what their business users are asking them to do. The software is not in the way. You're going to be able to do it with the software stack that Broadleaf is built on and Broadleaf itself. Broadleaf Commerce provides you with a framework that gives you no limits.